Tēnā koutou katoa. In this short kiriata, I'm going to show you how to navigate our Aotearoa New Zealand Histories content.
If you are licensed for our Aotearoa New Zealand Histories content, click on the Content tab at the top of your dashboard. The Aotearoa New Zealand Histories content is located within the Social Sciences folder. Near the top, you will see a teacher guide. Ensure that you have a thorough understanding of what is in this guide before assigning these lessons to your students. This sequence of 8 skills lessons and 16 contextual lessons are focused around the know and do strands outlined in the refreshed New Zealand curriculum. They provide scaffolded and structured progression based on solo taxonomy. Our lessons are aimed to be delivered independently to students at a level 4+ literacy level of the curriculum. But as customisable lessons, they can be scaffolded for lower level literacy learners. We recommend that your students work through the Being a Historian lessons first, to ensure that they are equipped with the relevant skills required to gain a full understanding of our contextual lessons. Teachers will be able to use these universal skills lessons to guide students through any study of a historical event in their own local context. This table shows which skills lessons are essential to which contextual lessons. We have broken our current course down into 4 key sections: Early Aotearoa, Early Contact, Te Tiriti and its impact, Being a Historian. Let's jump into the lessons and see how these can be used within a primary setting. Our lessons always begin with an introduction that covers the learning objectives for the lesson. Each of our skills lessons have a self-assessment tool at the beginning and at the end to help students identify their own areas of growth based on a solo taxonomy approach. To accompany these lessons, we have included generic templates for each of the skills that can be utilised in other historical contexts. They could be utilised when engaging in the local history of your rohe, or when examining international time periods or events. The idea of this mahi is to scaffold the learning to enable the ākonga to carry out their own historical inquiry. Being a historian builds on students' agency, giving them the opportunity to utilise these skills and concepts and templates to engage with a part of history they are drawn to or engage in the history of their local area. In all of our lessons, skills or contextual, the lessons have numerous information slides broken up with various interactive questions. You can utilise these rich lessons for your daily guided reading sessions. Simply go over the information slides together as a group, discuss new kupu and concepts, and ensure your students have a thorough understanding. Then allow ākonga to answer the questions independently or within groups. Each day, the questions will allow your students to delve further into their understanding of our history. Take a look at our Assigning Specific Sections tutorial to help you with breaking our lessons down. When you get to the end of the week, students will have the optional mahi section for extension. All of these questions within Aotearoa New Zealand Histories can be turned into a quick test for instant comparative pre- and post-assessment data. You can also track student insights to see what lessons each of your learners have completed within the year.
Tēnā anō koutou I mātaki mai I tēnei kiriata. Thank you for watching this short tutorial on how to navigate our Aotearoa New Zealand Histories content. Please reach out to someone at EP if you'd like to know anything more.